show you how to put on paper tape for drywall here. First thing you want to do, take your mud out of your bucket, add some water in it. I use a drill and mixer. You can use it in the pan here, mix up wherever you want to do. So make sure it's a little bit looser. See? About this consistency. It could even be more if you want it to be, but basically, essentially, you really want it to be looser. Has a better bond that way. Otherwise, you're going to get bubbles and whatnot in the tape, and it's not going to bond it.
For more room, you know, and they're setting it down.
So I'm somebody going to tape a little bit longer. Put it off after the fact. Yeah, I see a lot of guys, DIY people, and even some pros. They take the mud. They're doing this with it. Doing this with it. Sure, that works. That's going to take a lot of time. I like to load up the knife somewhat and go horizontal with it. Yeah, you're going to drop some mud, but big deal. Make certain too that you have more than enough mud in here. You don't want it real. You want to put it on and it's looking like that. Okay, you want to be able to screed it out. You want more than enough mud there. I like using a 4-inch knife. It gives you a little bit more pressure to screed out the mud. A lot of people like a 6-inch. I like a 4-inch for this part. Then I'm going to start from the middle and work it out. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to take a little bit of this mud. It won't grab the tape. It'll just give it a nice lubrication, you can say. Start from the center out, work it out. Times. Now you can see how it looks. There's no bubbles in this tape. It's all completely bonded. That way you come back the next day, if there's a bubble, you actually can push on it and there's nothing there. It's going to be a void. It's just real important to embed the tape correctly. Hope this helps.